In the heart of every kitchen, there's a timeless classic that never fails to deliver exceptional results. The Black+Decker 10-speed blender stands as a testament to culinary innovation, offering 10 speeds and a pulse control that transform your ingredients into culinary masterpieces. With a durable glass 5-cup jar, easy pour spout, and dishwasher-safe design, this blender takes the guesswork out of blending, leaving you with nothing but perfectly blended creations and a kitchen filled with tantalizing aromas. Here are the key features of Black+Decker Countertop Blender with 5-cup glass jar. A symphony of speeds, 10 speed settings and pulse control. The Black+Decker 10-speed blender boasts a symphony of blending speeds, ensuring that every culinary endeavor reaches its full potential. With 10 speed settings and a pulse control, you're in complete control of the texture and consistency of your creations. From silky smoothies to hearty soups, each setting takes you one step closer to culinary perfection. 5-cup glass jar, perfect pour spout for precision. Crafting delectable creations requires precision, and the 5-cup glass jar of the Black+Decker blender ensures just that. The perfect pour spout eliminates drips and spills, allowing you to pour your masterpieces without a drop going to waste. It's a feature that enhances not only your blending experience, but also the aesthetics of your kitchen. Effortless cleanup, dishwasher-safe parts. Imagine a world where culinary creativity knows no bounds, and cleanup is a breeze. With the Black+Decker 10-speed blender, this world becomes your reality. Every removable part is dishwasher-safe, simplifying the post-blending cleanup process. So, unleash your creativity and blend with abandon, knowing that cleanup is just as easy as the blending itself. Power unleashed. 550 watts of blending power. At the heart of the Black+Decker blender lies a powerhouse of blending prowess. With 550 watts of power at peak performance and 350 watts for continuous use, this blender tackles everything from delicate ingredients to tough textures with equal finesse. It's the embodiment of power, precision, and performance. Peak performance, defining power at its best. When it comes to peak performance, the Black+Decker blender isn't just a bystander, it's a frontrunner. Peak performance, in this context, refers to the maximum power recorded for 100 milliseconds during blending. This brief but powerful burst ensures that every ingredient is thoroughly blended, resulting in flavors that burst forth with every sip. Embrace culinary excellence with Black+Decker in a world that celebrates creativity and convenience. The Black+Decker 10-speed blender emerges as the ultimate kitchen companion. Its array of speed settings, precise pouring, dishwasher-safe design, and unmatched blending power redefine what's possible in your kitchen. With each blend, you're not just making food, you're crafting experiences that tantalize the senses and nourish the soul.